Hello and welcome to a Touratech product install video. My name is Ian and today we're going to be installing the exhaust header guard on this Harley-Davidson Pan America. Make sure that you get to the Touratech website and download the product instructions before you start. To complete this install, you're going to need a Torx T30 wrench and a flat blade screwdriver or a 7mm socket. Let's grab the parts and the tools and the instructions and get to work. Over here at the bike, first thing we have to remove this stock heat shield. It's held on with two bolts that both use Torx T30 heads. With the exhaust guard out of the way, we can orient the header guard and bend it a little bit so that it fits exactly with the profile and the bends in and out on the exhaust header. Once you're happy with the shape of the guard, it's time to lead the hose clamps through the cutout spots here and here in the exhaust header guard. On these hose clamps, you have the option of using a flat blade screwdriver in the slot or turning the entire head with a 7mm socket. Once you're happy with the location of the exhaust header guard, reinstall the factory heat shield. All right, now that I've got this installed, here's a few tips just to make your install go a little bit more smoothly. On the lower clamp here, make sure that you have it installed around the header below the factory exhaust gas sensor. On the front, or on the top clamp here, make sure that you have the header guard slid forward just enough so that the factory J-nut here for this bolt can go squarely over the hole. On my installation, it was trying to push that J-nut up just a little bit, so I had to hold it down. And then lastly, as you're tightening these hose clamps, if you pay attention and bend the ends in right before they overlap with the actual guard itself, you can get them to tuck inside under the main piece of the guard. Keeps it looking really nice. All right, that's our install of the exhaust header guard on the Harley-Davidson Pan America. If you have any more questions about products that we make for the Pan America or any other adventure bike, please visit our website, touratech-usa.com. As always, thanks for watching and enjoy the ride.